In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your archived emails within Gmail. Okay, so once you've logged into your Gmail and you're on the inbox, the process to find your archived emails is pretty straightforward and simple. So come to the left-hand panel right here, then just scroll down, and what you want to do is click on More. Once you've done that, you just want to scroll down a little bit more, and then you'll see the option here that says All Mail. Click on All Mail. And then you're going to notice that some of these say inbox, and then some of them don't say inbox next to them on the left. So the ones that don't say inbox like that are all your archived emails. So this specific email would be an archived email. And then you just want to scroll down and you'll find all your archive emails that way. If you know the subject line and if you know some text within the body of the email, you can come to search mail, and then you could type in either the subject line or the body of the email right here, and then you'll be able to find it that way. And that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.